Hey guys, Crafty Projects here, and today we're going to be making quick and easy DIY projects for Halloween. 3 of them to be exact. I actually stumbled across these from another YouTuber, so I will definitely give credit to her in the description down below. But besides that, I'm going to put my own little kind of like idea behind this. Because I definitely am redoing the ideas in a sense with different items, but you'll see as we go, especially if you go and watch her video on the particular items that I'll be doing. You'll see the difference between them, but without further ado, I guess we'll begin. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the idea behind it. So basically what you'll need is like florally kind of looking flowers. Obviously they're fake. 2 fake pumpkins, like foam pumpkins, and like a bucket. There's like all kinds of different ones. I chose like a fall kind of festive kind of one. There was also like a pumpkin, and I think there's like a bat one. But these, every item that I have for this project, you can all find at the dollar store actually. So that's why they're cool, quick, and easy DIYs, because you can literally all find this at the dollar store. But this is the idea behind the first one and what it will look like, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so this is obviously everything you'll need. I learned the best way to manipulate these plants is like take the stem and bend it, and then add a pumpkin without the stem and glue it, and then pop the other pumpkin on top. The next one is like a gumball candy jar. This is everything I used or was going to use. I used the cup upside down, painted it black. You can also use a plant jar and then put it upside down and paint it black. I used a snow globe, used the base of it inside, and then glued it, and everything glued together, added a bow, and that's pretty much the look. This is a wreath idea. I started originally with the mesh tubing, but decided the ribbon looked better first, and then rewrapped the mesh, which kind of looked better for me, and then I added a flower, added some bows. They're not the best bows, so don't hate on that. And then pretty much added some spiders, and that was really it. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is pretty much a quick and easy DIY for fall into Halloween, and it was pretty fun to do. Only took like maybe a few hours to do, considering I had to do a few things over, but this is the idea. The description has a link for the original video idea.